Hello Lions, this is your Environmental Science Biomes Project video helper. You're going to go to readylibrary.com and you're going to scroll down until you see your Environmental Science Biomes Project link right here, and you're going to click on that picture. And when you click on that, you're going to scroll down and the link to this video helper will be right here. It'll also be embedded here, but you're going to click here to get to the Mac and VIA group for this project. And when you go to Mac and VIA, you're going to sign in with Reedy High School as the school, your 6-digit student ID as your login, and your 8-digit birthday as your password, and then click Login. Once you're in here, you can change the view of what you see here by clicking on this little icon right here. I like to look at it in tile view, but if you're wondering what's in those different databases, you can click on this view and then it gives you a full description of what these things are. Okay. Up here is your instructions for this project. This is a link to the project information right here. So this is going to give you everything about your project, and so I am going to just copy and paste, highlight, copy and paste. Desert is going to be my biome, and all the research information for this project is going to be linked here. Mac and VIA group, video helper, how to search for images, everything is here, okay? And so what we're going to do in Mac and VIA is we're going to start with Britannica School. I like to start with a basic encyclopedia because encyclopedias are going to give you a little bit of information about a lot of different topics. And so I'm going to start here. And as I'm looking for information for this project, I'm going to paste my search term into the search box. And here is an article about deserts. Okay, so this is going to be like generic information about deserts. And so this is going to give me just a little bit of information about different topics regarding the desert. So over here I have my sort of table of contents: origin, environment, biota, population and community development structure, biological productivity, selected deserts of the world, etc. So I can click on any of these and it's going to take me to that particular section. Okay, and on this, if I'm going to use any information from this article in my project, for this project you're going to be using APA, and so you're going to select APA right here and you're going to copy and paste this into your references page. Oh, while we're here, I'm going to put in the Mac and VIA group, it's not in here right now, but I'm going to put in here a link to a forced copy of a reference page. It's going to be right up here under the instructions link. So make sure that you create that references page, and then you're going to copy and paste all your citations onto that references page. Okay? So that is Britannica School. That's a great place for you to start. Another resource that I'm going to direct you to is Science in Context. Okay, so I'm going to come here and I'm going to again put in my search term here at the top. And so now I'm going to have lots of information about deserts. Okay, I wonder if we add an S, what happens here? Oh. Let's try that again. Okay. So, deserts. Alright, so over here it's going to tell you the different types of resources that are in here. So reference articles, experiments, images, news, academic journals, magazines, etc. You're probably going to, for the most part, want to use reference articles, possibly some news articles, but I think for this particular assignment, probably reference articles are gonna do it for you. So just so you know, in this type of database, anything with a green is going to be a content level basic, so it's going to be more basic information, basic terminology. Yellow is going to be intermediate, and red is going to be more advanced, okay? So I may want to click on this article right here, and this article is going to give me information about deserts. I'm going to come right here to the citation tools, and I'm going to choose APA. And copy and paste this into my references sheet. Okay. If I want this article, this particular database also lets you sign in with Google. If you click right there, sign in with Google, then you can download this whole article and save the whole article to your Google Drive. Okay. So that's there for you as well. Alright, so that is science and context, okay? And so, oops, Magambia, that's where we want to be. If you don't get enough information from these two sources, there are some additional resources in here that you can use as well, should you need to. I'm just going to refresh this. And the document that I want to show you at the end here, these two things are ebooks. So if you find information in this book that you want, you can get the citation for this book by clicking on that little I and then click Cite and then copy and paste the APA citation right here. Okay. But the other document that I want to show you is this one right here. So, I'm going to have to pull it up over here. Hold on. Hold on one second. Let me find it. Alright, this document right here is going to help you with taking notes and stuff for this assignment. So here is some information about where do you get citations, what do you need to do with images. You need to make sure you cite your images, which I'll show you in just a second. But there's also information here about paraphrasing. You cannot copy and paste, things like that. So this document is in your Macambia group, and you can use that should you need to. This video right here is going to show you how to do advanced image searching, but you can also use the images from any of these databases. So for instance, if I go to this database and I want to, deserts, okay, and I want to use an image from this database, all I have to do is click on images right here. And then let's say I want to use this image right here. If I just click on that image and then I come here to citation tools and choose the APA citation, I will copy and paste this into my references page for any and all images that I use. You can also find images in Britannica School. Okay, so we can go right here and we can let's go desert. Okay, so here I can click here, and then any image that I want to use from this, all I have to do is click on it, and then if I click on the little cite button here, it's going to give me my APA citation. Okay, so I would copy and paste this and put this into my references page. If y'all have any questions as you're moving through this project, you need help with research, you need help with sources, let me know. I did add the forced copy link right here, so you are going to, when this comes up, you're going to click on it and it's going to say, do you want to make a copy? And you say yes. And then that document is going to look like this document right here. And so whenever you get those references, you're going to go enter. And you're going to put those references right here and just copy and paste them. And then when you're all done, you'll delete out this box and turn this in with your project to Coach Legrone. Okay? If y'all have any questions, please feel free to come see me in the library or email me, and I'll be happy to help you at any point along the way. Good luck, Lions.